Hey everyone, welcome back to the only channel you need to start a food truck business. I'm Pracha Yang and I'm here to share my experience. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna make more food truck related videos. This isn't going to be everything, but it'll help you on your food truck journey. So here we go. Once you have your food truck, you'll want to keep up with maintenance. If you don't keep up with maintenance, you'll run into a lot of problems in the future. Trust me when I say this because I've experienced issues myself. If you own a trailer, then you'll want to keep up with your trailer and truck's maintenance. If you own just a food truck, then you want to keep maintenance up on that. You don't want to be driving down the road and find out you have a flat tire or something is wrong with your engine. I recommend creating a checklist to go over your maintenance procedure, and you want to group this into your weekly or monthly or however long you want to group them to do your maintenance properly. Because some of your maintenance needs to be done weekly, like checking your tire pressure. So keep up with your maintenance before it's too late because your customers are counting on you. And if you're not really sure what to do, then find someone who specializes in repair and maintenance on food trucks. Now another part of maintenance is making sure you clean your food truck every day at the end of your day. You'll be surprised at how many things end up on the floors and the walls. So make sure you sanitize, and sanitize. Sanitize your counter space and equipment. Bacteria is everywhere, so make sure your work area and equipment is clean. You don't want this to affect your customers. Having a bad reputation before you even start is the worst thing that can happen to a new business. You'll learn more about food safety once you take your food manager certificate course. Another part of your daily cleaning duties is to dump out your wastewater. So in the trailer that I had 33 gallons of clean water in a 91-gallon wastewater tank. So even though my wastewater tank was much larger, I still try to dump the water out every day. The reason why I dump the wastewater every day is so that I wouldn't have to haul all that weight around. The extra water weight just makes your trailer or food truck heavier, so you end up using more gas when the weight is bigger. So another thing you want to avoid is to try to prevent oil from getting inside your wastewater tank. I've seen food trucks struggle with getting water out because of this issue. You also want to keep up with maintenance on your generator. It may be small, but it's something that's really important. It's kind of your lifeline of the food truck business. This is one of the things that I ran into problems quite a bit when I started my food truck business. I didn't read the owner's manual of the generator I have, so I didn't realize that I needed to replace the oil in the generator much more frequently. A generator has a small engine, so it works similarly to your car. But a generator doesn't have an oil filter, so after running my generator for 2 months straight, I started running into problems. Luckily, all it took was changing the oil and taking it to a generator shop for a tune-up. It could have been a lot worse. I could have lost $1,000 by having to reinvest into a new generator. I mean, it depends on what you're looking at, but for me, it was going to be another $1,000 down the drain. So make sure you keep up with your generator maintenance. You don't want to make the same mistakes I did. It just depends on how much you run your generator for. For me, I was running it between 8 to 10 hours a day. So sometimes I'm changing the oil every week and other times I'm changing it every other week. It just depends on the weeks of operation that I do. Sometimes I run it longer than others. Another thing that you'll want to pay attention to on the generator is the air filter. So refer to your owner's manual for this one. The air filter on the generator I had didn't require replacing it, but it did require cleaning it. Well, today's is going to be a short one. That's all the tips I have for maintenance. So the things that I did may not be the best way, but if you don't know where to start, I hope these tips will help you out. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.